Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the right ice bucket glide in this GE refrigerator, you will need a 5/16" nut driver, a 1/4" nut driver, and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the freezer door and pull out the ice bucket. Use the small flathead screwdriver to help disconnect the ice maker wire harness. Using the 5/16" nut driver, unthread the left side mounting screw securing the auger motor. Lift the auger motor up to detach. Use the small flathead screwdriver to help disconnect the wire harness so you can fully remove the motor. You can now use the 1/4" nut driver to unthread the front and rear screws, securing the old glide to the liner. To install the new ice bucket glide, position it on the liner and thread the 2 screws to secure. Reinstall the auger motor assembly by first reconnecting the wire harness. Align the right side of the support in the right bracket, then hook the left side onto the left bracket. Thread the screw to secure. Reconnect the ice maker wire harness. Reinstall the ice bucket. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.